Most people don't have a workout problem. They have a planning problem. They go to the gym, do random exercises, maybe some cardio, maybe some weights, and hope something works. But without structure, progress becomes slow, inconsistent, or completely random. So today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple weekly workout plan for fat loss that actually works. Not complicated, not extreme, just effective and sustainable. Let's start with the biggest mistake. People think they need to train every single day to lose fat. You don't. More is not always better. Better is better. A simple, consistent plan beats an intense plan you can't stick to. So here's the foundation. You need 3 key elements: strength training, daily movement, optional cardio. That's it. Now, let's build this into a weekly structure. Start with strength training. This is your base. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week. Each session should focus on full body or major muscle groups. You don't need fancy exercises. Stick to basics: squats, lunges, deadlifts, push-ups, bench press, rows, shoulder press. These movements train multiple muscles at once and give you the most return for your effort. Each workout can be around 45 to 60 minutes. Focus on controlled reps and gradually increasing weight or reps over time. That's how progress happens. Now, let's place this into a week. Example: Monday, strength training. Tuesday, walk, light activity. Wednesday, strength training. Thursday, walk, light activity. Friday, strength training. Saturday, optional cardio or active day. Sunday, rest or light walk. That's a simple structure that works for most people. If you want 4 days in the gym, you can adjust. Monday, upper body Tuesday, lower body Thursday, upper body Friday, lower body with walking or light movement on other days. Now let's talk about walking. This is one of the most underrated fat loss tools. You don't need to destroy yourself with cardio. Just aim to move more every day. 7,000 to 10,000 steps is a solid target for most people. Walking helps burn calories, improves recovery, reduces stress, and supports consistency. It's simple but powerful. Quick pause. If you want simple plans that actually work, hit like and subscribe. That's what this channel is about. Now let's talk about cardio. Cardio is optional, not mandatory. If you enjoy it, include it. If you hate it, don't force it. You can add 1 to 2 short sessions per week if you want extra calorie burn. This could be cycling, jogging, rowing intervals. But keep it realistic. You don't need daily cardio sessions unless you genuinely enjoy them. Now, let's talk about intensity. This is where most people get it wrong. They show up, but they don't challenge themselves. If your weights never increase, if your reps stay the same, if your effort stays comfortable, your body has no reason to change. Progressive overload is key. That means gradually increasing the challenge over time. More weight, more reps, better control. You don't need to go crazy, but you do need to improve. Next, let's talk about recovery. Rest days are not lazy. They are necessary. Your body needs time to recover and adapt. If you train hard every day without recovery, performance drops and consistency suffers. That's why a balanced plan always includes lighter days or rest days. Now, let's make this even simpler. If everything we just said feels like too much, remember this. Lift weights 3 times a week. Walk every day. Stay consistent. That alone can transform your results. You don't need perfection. You need repetition. And here's something important. Your plan should match your lifestyle. If you're busy, keep it simple. If you're a beginner, start small. If you enjoy certain exercises, include them. The best plan is the one you actually follow, not the one that looks impressive online. And finally, understand this. The gym supports fat loss, but nutrition, sleep, and daily habits still matter. If those are not aligned, no workout plan will fully compensate. So use this plan as your foundation. Build consistency, track progress, adjust gradually, and over time, results will follow. Because fat loss is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing simple things consistently for long enough. Subscribe if you want simple, effective fitness and fat loss strategies without confusion. And watch the next video, where I'll break down how long fat loss actually takes and what realistic progress looks like.